Just doing chores this beautiful morning. Beautiful sunny morning. So first thing I usually do, let these puppies out. They're usually free range dogs. They're usually out all day, but I've been letting my chickens out. And they're really good around the chickens. But just in case, I have to be out here watching them. We've got some sprinklers going on several different sides of the fields. And we are in the process of building some more permanent stalls here and a chicken house. So way over there to the right, there's going to be a chicken house. So I just have a temporary chicken coop for now. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So there are two hens that are a year old that are usually out. They stay out and they... How did you get out? Okay, so we have 3 different kinds of chickens here. Well, 3 different stages. We have 2 hens. This one, the kid's named Baka. And in there, we have Drumstick. That's the kid's name. The kids named them that. Don't judge me. Okay, and then we have this group in here. I like to separate them because the older hens that are a year old, they came from a friend's house and they are mean to my chickens. So this is what the kids call the teenage chickens. They're not full grown and they haven't laid eggs yet. So they get to get out and they get some freedom. And I basically just let them out all day and they just hang out. So of these, I have 9. So I have 2 white ones that we named Brittany and Lucy. Oh, excuse me, Brittany and Sally. We have 2 brown ones. We have Henrietta and Selena. 2 gray ones. So this one right here is Ethel. And the other one is Lucy. And they just roam. So these striped ones, we have Destiny. The black one is Aaliyah. She has like green, her feathers turn green like in the sunlight. Okay, so those guys just kind of hang out all day. Come on. I know, babies. You're gonna get some too. Hi. So this is Luna, the draft horse, Pertron, and this is Moondust. They are in temporary stalls. I know, baby, you want out, huh? We're actually going to let you out today to go on a ride. Okay, so we have 2 little escape artists here, and this is the second set of chicks. So we have, oh, I see how you escaped. Good morning. It looks like you guys pried that door open. So then once I close that gate to the inside, I usually let these chicks out. And there's plenty of space in here for them to hang out. Good morning. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. So we have 2 mid-sized chicken coops in here. Buenos dias. And these guys kind of just hang out here all day. So I have 2 watering cans. Make sure they're full every morning. This feeder. And then I have a couple more in there inside their small chicken coop. And like I said, I like to keep these guys in here because the older chicks are not very nice to them. So once we have everybody situated, we can separate them. So I just lock that up and they stay in there pretty much all day. So on this property, we have several wheel lines. So the back property behind our house, we have this super long wheel line. So that needs to be moved every day. So the hay out there is alfalfa. So it goes from one riser to the next. And for you guys that don't know, these right here, these are called risers. So they're just spread out and they have to be basically connected from one riser to the next. Everybody has a job here on the farm. And here comes my crazy crew to come help Mom. Come on, guys. So here we have Zoe. Zoe, what is your job on the farm?
My job on the farm is to grain the horses.
Grain the horses. And this is Izzy. Izzy, what is your job on the farm?
Bioman.
Yeah. You bioman and you help Mom water, huh? We gotta make sure all of these guys have water. And then here comes Dad. And Dad usually makes sure that JJ has the bales of hay ready to go. And JJ usually...
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias, bebé. Okay. So first thing, there is a main meter. And what we do is we have to shut off the main. So the main will shut off all the water as far as the sprinklers to the hay fields. And we have to let those drain because the pipes get heavy with water and you have to move them. So that just helps drain it out. And here comes Mr. Crazy. Buenos dias. This is JJ. JJ, what is your job on the farm? I can't hear you, bud.
What?
I can't hear you. What is your job on the farm? You gotta feed the horses and help Dad move the wheel lines? All right, bud, go on. It looks like these guys are waiting for you. So this is Ziggy. She is a 3-year-old gypsy vanner. Grand champion, you're right, but so we took them to the county fair and she won overall grand champion for her beauty.
Yeah.
Huh, baby?
There's like turkey grand.
And she doesn't seem very big compared to this guy next to her, but she is bigger than a regular sized quarter horse. JJ, can you open that for your sister, buddy? So Izzy's opening that Connex. We have a container over here that holds all the stuff so that it stays out of the elements. Anyway, I was saying the reason why she looks so small is because we have Mr. Giant over here, 19.3 hands high, and he won People's Choice Award overall. It was 103 votes versus second place, who was 27 votes, and third place, who was 23 votes of the judges. Huh, buddy? Yeah, you were so big. And if you see all our other videos, you can see him compared next to me, and I'm 5'5", and this guy makes me look like a little tiny child. 19.3 hands high. And next door, we have the stud, Mr. Zeus. This is a stallion. Hi, buddy. And he just had a birthday, huh? He's 2 now. Hello. Oh my goodness, yes. Yep. So like I mentioned earlier, we have some stalls over here that we are building that are going to be a little bit more permanent. Our plan this year was to build a barn, but we just have so many other projects that we'll get there. So this is going to have a roof on the top for half of these. Half of these stalls are going to be covered, and then the other half is going to be open. Okay, so JJ is in charge of the hay. Izzy, show me what you have. Yeah, you have the pellets, huh? You have vitamins. It's called Biomane. We love Biomane. It helps them with their coat, with their hair, just overall health. Okay, you gotta wait for JJ to put the hay first. Okay.
Get off me, dog.
Is she attacking you with loves? Come on, dog. Okay, so over here, Zoe is graining, everyone. So, the grain is like candy to the horses, but it provides... Hey, I just tripped over you. It is like a treat, but it also fills. So normally we have this bag inside the container, but we dropped it here this time. So how many scoops fit in there, Zoe?
4, but I'm usually doing 2.
Yeah. Okay, so each horse gets 2 scoops. They are spoiled. Good job. So 2 scoops of grain. Did you give Luna some?
Yeah.
You already did? Okay.
JJ was gonna... Mom. JJ, oh. JJ said I was gonna eat vitamin.
No, don't eat that. Okay, so let's watch JJ over here. Good job. Good job. They love that.
Go grab some hay, babe.
Okay, babe. So it looks like we're out of hay here in this area. So we have that backhoe that Dad's gonna go fill up right now.
This is just for now.
This is just for now, because we know they know that we're here, and they'll get impatient.
How are we gonna do this?
Put it through the fence, buddy.
Set it over.
Okay, however you want.
Okay, you might have payola everywhere.
Nice, good job, bud. Are you going with Dad?
What?
What's the rule on leaving that right on the ground like that? Thank you. Good job, Izzy.
Check my traps.
You're gonna go check your traps for raccoons and skunks?
They're not for any of us.
What's it for?
For gophers and bunny. Well, I have 2 that are for gophers and 1 that's for bunny. Well, no, 2 for bunnies and 2 for gophers.
Yeah? Should we go help Dad?
No, I'm gonna go check my traps.
Okay, I'm gonna go see what Dad's doing. Come on, babe. Did you get everybody, baby girl? Yep. Everybody gets 2 scoops, huh? Okay, I'm gonna go see Dad get some more hay, okay? Going backwards here because I'm kind of stuck in this alley. Little chicks crack me up. Okay, baby girl, see you over there. Come on, Izzy. Dogs love following us. Oh, we got a mud hole. Ah! So anyway, this meter that I was mentioning is right here, top of the hill. And basically we just turn that wheel right next to that yellow lid, and that turns off the entire irrigation and all the wheel lines that we have. So let's go out here to the middle of the property. So our property goes further down. There's a fence line way back there, but I'm going to show you just what we have going on here for now. So there's our house. There's the alfalfa field. And back here we have this pipe corral. And we have the quarter horses right here. So the quarter horses kind of hang out back here. They have an automatic waterer. Hello. This white one is Silver. Hi, Silver. Hi, buddy. Hi, dude. And then we have Perla. I bought her from a Hispanic guy up north, and ella habla español. She speaks Spanish. He trained her in Spanish, so she's my beautiful Hispanic horse. My Spanish horse. Ella habla español. And then we got Rosie. Yes, buddy?
I'll meet you behind those spare wheel line parts.
Okay. Take your dogs. Rari. Our dogs are named after cars. We have Mercedes. We have, this is Lamborghini, Bentley. Well, that one's Roxy. I don't know how we ended up with the Roxy and not like a car name, but we got Lambo, we got Rari, aka Ferrari. We had a Bentley and a Ranger. They passed recently. So my husband, I missed it, but he put a giant bale in here for these horses. And basically this one feeds them for several days. So they have free feed. And somebody asked me if Rosie was pregnant the other day, and I really didn't notice. I thought she was just chunky. If that's the case, that means that the 2-year-old stud got her pregnant a while ago. So I'm not sure yet. We're going to take her to the vet to check when we take the gray mares. Hola! Anyway, these guys get a full bale and it feeds them for several days. Yeah, is that your horse? Perla is Zoe's horse. And Silver was Dad's horse, but Izzy took her away, or took him away. And I'm gonna go see Dad. Oh, are they? Okay, watch out, baby, I'm gonna go. Safety is a #1 concern around here. We've got a lot going on all the time, so they know. She's not going very fast. when they do, when they go play, I make them go wear a helmet. So don't think it's a terrible thing. We're just picking up hay for right now. She should be wearing a helmet. Anyway, Dad's got some hay on the bucket of the backhoe. Our poor stack. Sometimes it looks good when we stack it. Sometimes it just falls apart, but this is hay that we just baled not too long ago, a couple weeks ago. What? Are you gonna show me something? Oh, I was following Dad, but I guess he's gonna show me something. We got all sorts of junk back here. We have some trusses that we collected for building our barn. Other pieces of trusses. Oh, I don't fit with the four-wheeler, bud. I guess I'm walking. Oh my gosh. Don't judge all our crap. This is our junk pile. Got some spare wheel lines, spare parts. What do you want to show me, buddy?
Can you tell with these circles?
Yeah, I can. Let me see. That's what you wanted to show me? Oh my gosh, you are so crazy. Okay. Hey, let's go finish feeding.
What?
We got to go finish feeding the horses. Here. Nothing fancy, but it works. We actually just picked up some horse-drawn equipment that we are going to try later on. So subscribe and tune in because we have got some fun stuff happening around here. Over there. I see a Jeep, but I don't see a child in it. I wonder if it died. Okay, so I'm going to show you really quick. For those of you that don't know, I posted a video about us raking some hay on my personal Facebook, and somebody asked me if I can explain what's happening for those that didn't understand. Okay, so this long wheel line waters this field, but it has to go in sections. So we have what is this opener. This opener here gets hooked on by these hoses. So this hose to this end and that hose to that end. So every day, well, for us it's twice a day, we move those openers to the next riser and then we just do sections. So this watered this section last night and then this morning we're going to move it to the next section. I hope that explains. Dad made this little jump right here and we all go on, even the kids. All right. What is this kid doing? So for those of you that don't know, we have gophers and we have bunnies that make giant holes in the alfalfa. They love to eat alfalfa which is fine. It's okay. Bunnies are cute. Gophers are cute. But the problem is that since they make these giant holes, our horses can potentially break a leg. And that is very dangerous, obviously, because if a horse breaks a leg, 9 out of 10 times you have to put it down. So my son has taken it upon himself to grab his BB gun to try to end some traps to try to get these gophers and bunnies. Okay, so we're back over here. So we've got some baby chickies, teenage chickies. Hey, did your Jeep die? Oh, I'm sorry. Her Jeep died? Okay. Breakfast. So we give them about half a bale each of these pretty girls. Hi, chickens. These guys are so funny, these teenage chicks. They like to follow me, especially when I give them some grain. I don't think anybody gave them some this morning. Watch how they come. Aww. They come when I call them. You guys are so cute. Oh, that one's a mean one. This one and that one are the ones that I got from my friend, and they're not very nice. So that's why I'm trying to do a more permanent situation here. I'm sorry. So they have their water. We gotta fill up these buckets, sweetheart, for the chickens.
Mom, can we go drive back and get Izzy's Jeep? I got the battery.
Oh, sure, baby. Go ahead. Come back and help me water, okay? Hi, Moondust.
Who will drive Izzy? Mom, who will drive Izzy? Mom, can you drive me?
Yeah, in a minute. It looks like Dad's going. We gotta get more. So usually, like I mentioned, these girls get about half a bale, and these guys as well. So let's go see. We got junk everywhere because we're in the process of building all this stuff, right? When it's finished, we'll have to show you. Hello, beautiful. Hello, good morning. So this is about how much this big boy eats every day. Well, this is the morning food, and then you've got your evening food, huh, bud? You've eaten all your grain. Hi, baby. So he's gonna go move wheel lines. Oh, maybe I'll show you later. We'll have to do different videos for different things. It's just, we've got a lot going on. And I usually have to take my muck boots out there because it gets super muddy. And I don't have those on right now. Hi, Rari. Rari Ferrari. So the thing with these chickens is we don't know which ones are roosters yet. I honestly think Henrietta is a Henry because I seen it trying to fight. Like those fighting roosters. That's not very nice. Hi, baby. I know you usually come to me, but I don't have anything in my hand right now. I have some leftover spinach and cucumbers from yesterday. I'll have to bring that out. Okay, so these girls hang out and stay out here all day. Yeah. And let's go check on the baby chicks. We got to fill up your waters. I'm waiting for the girls. Hi, cuties. Good morning. Good morning. Those little fuzzy feet, these are silkies. I know, you think I have something. Hello. My chair. I like to sit in here and watch them. So they have chicky food in there, plenty of water. Oh, hello. You're big. So we have a total of 15 of these smaller chicks. And then when we went to the fair, the girls each won a pair of chicks. So we have a total of 15 with the 4. Just count them all. How did you get out? Is what I want to know. Where is she going? The kid always has a dog following them. As long as they don't get my chickens, they're fine. They know better. You just chilling? I'm gonna grab some grain for these guys as well. So here I've got a bunch of bags of chicken food. And this thing was full of grain. We get it here at this local farm store, and basically it comes in a giant bag. Oh, don't get out. Hang on. What did I do here? All right, here we go. Come over here. Did I scare you? They love grain. I was trying to get back in. Where did you get out of? I know they made this hole right here, and they basically like to dig. You know, here, let me help you. Let me help you get back in, sweetheart. Oh my goodness. No, you can't come in right now. Remember, during the day you go out. No, you're not coming in, sweetie. Come on. You're banned from the chicken coop during the day. We get a lot of birds that try to come eat the grain, so I like to make sure it's closed up. Let's see. Where did that little baby go? She's stuck. She got out and can't get back in. What are you doing? I still need to find the spot where you guys are laying your eggs. I found 3 eggs in the middle of the field. Come on, baby. Where did you get out of? Where did you get out? Here, can I grab you? Let me grab you. I'm gonna take you back. Oh. She's desperately trying to get back in there. Might have to put, all right. I know, where did you get out of? There's clearly a spot that you fit through. Is it right here? Oh my goodness. Where did you get out? Where did you get out? Okay, I got you. Hi. Okay, let's go back. Oh, Roxy. Oh, give me some room, Rox. Okay, chickens, watch out. I got you, babes. I got you. Okay, all right. I got you. Here you go. Quit escaping. Yeah, see how they like to dig? That's just natural chicken instinct. Let's see if I can count you. 1, 2, 3. Wait, quit moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and that one in there, 15. Okay, you're all here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. You got it, baby girl? You gotta stay in there. Can you first open up the water? Turn on the water. I want to fill up these buckets. So these buckets, I like to. My handle's broken. I will. And get ready to turn it off, okay? This girl rides everywhere. It's so funny, just a couple months ago, she was scared and crying of riding that thing, but once Dad got her on, she does not get off, even just to go a few feet. Oh, I can't wait to have the permanent stalls. These chickens find water anywhere. They find it in the field with the wheel lines. But I also like to leave these buckets, either for the dogs, for the chickens, whoever needs water. I have lots of wild birds come and eat all this stuff anyway. And they can have water. So just the water spigot is right there at the house, right by the dogs. It was somebody's job to pick up all this blue twine. So the little chicks have water in there. I'll leave these out for the bigger chicks and the hens. Turn it off, baby. Oh my goodness, I wish I had my camera last night rolling because I was watering this girl. I left the hose in there. She grabbed the hose and was waving it around, and she dropped it in there and stepped in it. It was the funniest thing ever. Are you all done?
Yeah, we gotta run a price and go get the windows for the chicken barn.
Okay. gotta go get some more supplies for what we've got going on over here. So the chicken coop has a door, like a man door, where I can go in and out of, but then also it's gonna have windows, so we need to go grab those. It looks like these guys have water. We'll have to fill it up all the way to the top when we get back. And usually I scoop them out, scoop all the poops out.
I can hold the camera.
Yep.